Welcome to the world of precision manufacturing, where even the smallest details matter. Today, we'll explore how a simple matchbox comes to life. It all starts with raw materials: cardboard, matchsticks, and glue. These elements will soon transform into something essential in every home. With precision at its core, the first step is cutting the cardboard into perfect shapes for the matchbox covers.
Discover the magic behind every creation, how it's crafted.
The cardboard is carefully sliced into perfect dimensions, preparing for its journey to becoming a matchbox.
Next, vibrant designs are printed, bringing the matchbox to life with colors and logos.
The pieces are then carefully folded and glued, ensuring a strong and reliable structure.
Next, the matchsticks are inserted into the box, each perfectly aligned for easy use. Each box is meticulously inspected, ensuring it meets the highest quality standards before moving to the next stage. The boxes are sealed with precision, keeping the matchsticks safe and ready for use. Finally, the matchboxes are carefully packed and prepared for shipment, ready to reach their destination.
And just like that, the matchboxes are ready to make their way to homes everywhere.
And that's how a simple matchbox is made, crafted with precision and care.
If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos.